Hey everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing this set of Rainbow Loom bands from Amazon. It is the dual layered set. The actual Rainbow Loom company sells bands on Amazon, and the singular packs are way more expensive than the regular Rainbow Loom web store. But if you buy these packs that are 5 bands and 1 metal tipped hook and a mini loom, it only is $10. So that's a super awesome price. If you bought all of these pieces separately, I think it would equal around $16. I'm not 100% sure. I'll put the price up right here. But yeah, if you want to see what all these bands are, see them all up close and personal, get a review on all of them, and a review on this overall set. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna go through is the hook. I'm not sure if the blue or pink hook came with this set because I have 2 different sets, and so I don't know which hook came with which, but it was either this one or the pink one, so it doesn't really matter, you know? So I'm just opening up the clamshell case right now. You can probably hear that. So here's what the hook looks like, assuming that this is the right one. If it's not, then the hook that comes with this set is pink. And that's the only difference. And then here is the mini loom. Let's just go through these, starting at my favorite, which is the octopus bands. They are just purple on the outside and white on the inside. I do have quite a few, well actually there's only a few bracelets for these ones. I have some bracelets I made to show you guys what they look like in bracelets. This band, like the purple and white, looks really nice with yellow, like bright yellow bands. So yeah, these ones are my favorite out of the whole kit. And then my next favorite are these blue ones. For whatever reason, the blue ones are sparkly and they're just called Liberty Blue. And so I find that kind of odd though, how it's like they're all just regular bands except for these ones are like glittery, but it's fine, I guess. I don't know. The white as well is kind of more of like, I don't even know how to describe it. I'm gonna try to flip a band inside out. So I cannot flip the band inside out, but it has like a Persian sheen on the inside. So like the inside's white, but it has a Persian sheen, and then the outside is blue with the flecks of glitter. You can't see it, but you know, you can tell what color they are from the package. I like these, but I probably would not buy these separately. The only ones I'd buy separately, honestly, are the octopus ones. And then next is the red. So it's just the red on the outside, white on the inside. And then next are the brown ones. These look really like a nice caramel color on camera, it looks like, but in real life they are just a regular brown color. Brown with white on the inside. And lastly, we have these dark green ones. They show up brighter on camera. Honestly, all of the colors that are showing up on camera look better than they do in real life. Here is the band, just dark green on the outside, white on the inside. So I haven't really used I haven't used the green bands, but I'm gonna show you the bracelets that I've made with these bands so far. So the first one I have is this dragon scale, which is made out of the Liberty Blue. And then I have this one, which is made out of pearl bands, which I'll have a different video on, so I will put that in the iCard up here. But I did use the brown. Not a huge fan of this bracelet, mainly just because some of the bands did turn inside out. And then next I have like the French braid one, which is a Tutorials by A thing, and I did the red and blue to be like red, white, and blue since there's white on the inside. These ones turned out okay. I'm just not a huge fan of these bands. I got these for Christmas, so normally I wouldn't pick these out for myself. And this one isn't even from this kit. I don't know why that's here. And then we have this one. I'm surprised I haven't used more of the octopus bands because I really like them. But anyways, let's see if this will focus. So I used the like yellow and pink pearl bands, which will again be in a different video, but then I have the octopus on there as well, and I really like this. I really like how this color combination turned out. I think these ones look really nice together. So overall, the kit is, you know, good quality. They're good bands. They are authentic Rainbow Loom bands. Like, they're from the Rainbow Loom brand. They just are shipped from Amazon. But overall, the colors, I personally would not get any of these colors other than the octopus ones and possibly the blue ones. My biggest thing is I just don't really use a lot of like green, brown, or red, and I haven't had any projects or creations yet that would use those, but I'll probably use those a lot more in the future. But the quality wise and everything, and if you like them and you like the colors, definitely get this set because this set is a really good deal. So the overall consensus is if you want these colors, if you like these colors, if you want these bands, totally 100% get them. I personally am just not like a huge fan of these bands, but you know, that's just my own personal thing, but if you like them, get them. So that's it for the review of all of these bands. Let me know in the comments down below which of these bands is your favorite, or if you've used any of these bands or anything, just let me know, comments down below. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.